Hello friends, welcome to another video, Trade with J Flores. Today is Sunday, July the 11th. And we're going to analyze some of the pairs for this week. Please don't forget, every time you're going to trade, check for news. Sunday is a good day to see what's going to happen during the week. One of the sources that I see is Forex Factory calendar, and you can see the news right there, just so you be aware of the news that you're not supposed to be trading, because it's very dangerous when you trade when those news are happening. Alright, this is the week pretty much. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades during the week. In the middle of the week, I almost thought it was going to be like break even week, but we end up being on the green. This is my small account. I don't show you guys my real account where I create some a little bit more income. This is just for the video, but it's a live account. It's real money. It's not a demo. So pretty much all the trades that I take in this account, I take them in my larger account also. So you can see it's another, I had one bad trade on this one, USD JPY. Let me see if I can see what happened there. Let me make this USD JPY. Let's see, remember what trade that I missed on this one. 30 minutes. Well, let me look at the. Let me look when that will happen. That was on 7/7 and 110.75. I think it was. Let me see. 7. Oh, I think it was this trade right here. Yeah, exactly this. I had a triple arrow right here, and during that time, obviously the buy zone was in this area. So that's another thing you gotta understand, that these buy zones are gonna move with the price. Okay, so in that time, the buy zone was right here. I got triple arrow. I had triple arrow, and then if you look down, everything was lined up. Green long term, green, green, green. But the market decided to drop one more time, pretty much. So those are the risks you normally gonna have to run sometimes, and it's gonna happen once in a while. Okay, so just gotta be ready for it, because it just dropped right after that. Okay, so that one drop, and it's gonna happen once in a while. The market's just gonna go one more low, and as you can see, now the market started going up right here. But I'm not gonna. It's Sunday. I try not to do no trade Sunday, because those are the rules. Okay, so let's scan the market on the 30-minute real quick. Okay, so you can see some of the trades that started on Friday. They started going and working real good. So okay, that's a possible trade for the week. Got triple arrow. As long as it doesn't break this top right here, it's a possible one. NCD CAD, middle of the range. When it's middle of the range right here, we're pretty much not waiting for nothing else. So let's keep going. GBP USD. Wow, that one, look at that one. That was a beautiful trade right there. GBP USD. I think I took this one, as a matter of fact. I took it and I ended up right there. GBP USD. Euro GBP. Okay, that is looking good. We got like triple bottoms right there. 1, 2, 3. That's a possible one. Okay. So we don't have triple arrows. We're not at the right time, so but that's a possibility. GPNCD is extended also. Pretty much extended. USD CAD. It's in the middle. USD JPY. It's starting already. It's kind of late to go into that one. USD CHF. It's on the buy zone, but it's just ranging right there. We'll wait what happens with that one. AUD USD. Pretty good trade. But it's already in the middle range also. So that's not what we're looking for. Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD already started, is doing a pullback right now. But till this day, I still don't. With this strategy, I haven't started doing any continuation trades. There will be a continuation trade. Let's say this goes up and then starts dropping. I haven't started that yet. I just want to keep it straight to this triple arrows on the zones, pretty much. That's what I've been doing, and I want to keep it like that for a while. AUD JPY, GP AUD. Okay, that one's looking good. You already had triple arrow here, and then it broke the top, so the zone moved higher. I really like this when we already had a triple arrow and he fell. Normally the next one works real good. I mean, I've been checking in those continuously, so we got to keep an eye on those too. So this is the GP AUD. We're gonna see also in our, when we wake up in the morning, we'll check if everything's lined up, and then we go from there. Okay, this one looks pretty good because it's in the zone. It started going up already, but it's still in the buying zone. Euro JPY is already gone a little bit. LCHF. We're just scanning the market to get a feel what what the market is doing at this point. There's some pairs already started going, and they're pulling back a few pairs, so there's a lot of pullbacks right now. CAD JPY. Same thing, went already. He's doing a pullback also. That one's Euro CHF. That one's looking good. We got to see the development. So let's finish looking at all this. Then I want to talk to you guys for a couple minutes about risk reward, how important it is. Euro NCD, Euro CAD. They're in a pullback, small pullbacks. You can see, and what I'm talking is the impulse, and now they're doing a pullback. And Euro USD. Okay, that one's still developing, so we're gonna keep an eye on those. I wanted to talk to you guys for a couple minutes just as an advice to maintain a risk reward that it's, I will say, if not the most important part of trading, it's up there with your knowledge. Looking for a calculator here. There it is. I have a calculator right there. Just a little some advice for you guys. My risk reward, I try to stay per trade 2%, no more per trade. 2% of my whole account. Let's say I have $1,000 account, just for example, and I want to find out about what is the 2% of this. Obviously, I can do it on, if I'm good with math, I can do it in my head right away. But let me see if I remember how to do this. So $1,000. Oh man, hold on one second. Let me see if that's the right sign. I can normally do it on my phone, but Okay, that's how it is anyways. So let's say I have $1,000 and you want to get the 2% of 1,000, so you're gonna go 1,000, then you're gonna click here. I think this is times 0.02 equals $20. So that the maximum amount that you can risk per trade. If you have $1,000 and you're risking $50, now you're risking 5% of your account, because there are going to be losses on every single system, or even if you're the best trading in the world, you're going to have your losses. And if you're not working with your risk reward, you are not going to be successful in Forex or stocks or you name it. You gotta have control of your risk. Okay, I just wanted to show you how to calculate percentage. Let's say you have, I don't know, you have random very small accounts. 100. I have $159 in my account, and I want to know what 2% is. I put times 0.02 equals, you can risk $3.18 per trade. And I know that's a very small amount, right? Yeah, but you gotta be, if you don't respect this, the market is not gonna respect you. I can promise you that. Guys, I've been trading for, I started on 2013, 14. So that's almost 7-8 years, and believe me, the last 2-3 years, I just something click about risk reward, and that's when I started seeing results. Okay, so again, let's say you have $500, calculator. Okay, $500 times 0.02 equals $10. That should be your risk reward. For example, my account in this account